how to edit and change category URL settings on Bigcommerce. Easy and quick. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to edit it and change it. First, open your browser and then once you're here, click settings, and now scroll down until you find the URL structure, and that's it. In here, can manage product URL settings and category URL settings, and that's it. Here we'll find category URL settings. Now just manage it. You can make it short or long, and you can custom it. I hope that can help you, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.